The language of the imagination allows us to return to the experiencing, allows us to find out what we're really feeling, not what we're thinking. The aim of the school is to teach people about their primordial language, which is the language of images. Imagery is the whole practice of using images to help ourselves. When it contains what I've called tikkun or correction, it's healing. This is an ancient work that spans more than 800 years. I come from a long lineage of Sephardic teachers, most of them women. We're interested in returning to the power of the imagination. We're doing something different than most people who work with imagery. What we're doing is creating a conversation between the conscious and the subconscious mind. It's a way of dialoguing that is very powerful. I call this technique sapphire imagery. I have brought in a number of innovations so that students from all over the world can learn how to do this for themselves. But this is a time of great challenge. We've just gone through more than 2 years of pandemic where people have been locked down, left to their own selves. We are left without tools, and the greatest tools that we have is really to return to our inner truth. The moment you tap into that great fountain of creativity, the more you become what I call a co-creator with the world. We are meant to be co-creators. If we do not do, then it's done to us. So we definitely need to step forward and to use our best dreaming abilities to make life easy, fun, and exciting, and especially creative.